so today's gonna be a Rotita haul. I have a few different items to show you. So just for reference, my waist is around a 35, 37 inches, 45 hips, 40 inches around her 36D. So let's just get started. So we're gonna start out with these pants. They're kind of like a cargo rain pant type feel. They're not like a slippery see-through type of material. They're actually nice and thick and good quality feeling. They have really nice deep pockets. These are in a 2XL. I have lots of room, but they're not falling down. I love the stretchy waistband. I don't feel like they're accentuating the fupa too much. This drawstring is functional. This is how they look on the back. And then I am 5'10" and they are long enough for me. They do have a cuffed bottom. So yeah, I love these. I think they're really cute with a little crop top, perfect for lounging around the house, perfect for going to the grocery store, perfect for going for a run. They're just like an all-purpose pant. Okay, next we have these like sweatpants. These are in a 2XL as well. I think they look really good on the back and the front. I love that they have this thick waistband, which always helps hide the pooch and hold you in a bit better. They are high-waisted. I am 5'10" and they are long enough for me. They do have a cuff bottom, which I love. Nice, comfortable material. You can definitely lounge in these, sleep in these, go out in these. They do have some cute little cargo pockets on the side, perfect for your phone or some money, change, whatever you need to carry with you on both sides. I like them. I think they're really nice. We're 2 for 2 here. Let's see what else we got. The next two items. So this top is in a size large. I think this is really cute. I love the high-low detail. This would be great, I think, with some tights maybe, or a pencil skirt. How cute and different is this top? It's a very thick, warm type material. You do get some buttons right here. It is kind of like ruched under your breast. And then we have these pants. I do wish, I think that I went up a size. I got an extra large and they're just a little snug. They do fit, but I definitely wish I went up a size. These are nice and long. They're more like a wide leg pant and more like a dress pant type material. I do like the little button detail down the front. That's kind of cute. And then it does have like an elasticy waist at the back. And the last and final thing I got sent from Rotita is this loungewear set. This is in an extra large and this fits great. So you really just need to check your measurements on the website. They do give you measurements for all of the items, so definitely check to be sure. So this outfit is actually quite thick material. It's definitely not see-through. It's like heavy duty material, so it would be great in the winter time. I know it's a tank top, but you could throw a little sweater over top because these pants are quite warm. Again, very long. I'm loving that Rotita thinks about us tall girls and makes the length in the pants. A lot of places do not do that. I have a really hard time finding pants long enough for me. So how cute is this? Very, very stretchy waistband, not restricting in my stomach. Does it look nice on the stomach? I think it doesn't look bad. The drawstring is adjustable. This is how it looks in the back. So the pants are more like a straight leg pant. They're actually even a little too long. You see they're bagging up at the bottom, which I'm not complaining about. I prefer that than them being too short. The straps actually are adjustable. The top is a little loose on the sides, but that's okay. I really like this set. I think it's really cute. Thank you so much to Rotita for sending me these beautiful clothes. I love working with Rotita. They have such beautiful, high quality, classy clothes. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. It really helps with my channel, lets me know that you're enjoying my content. If you'd like to see more haul videos, hit that subscribe button and hit that bell so you don't miss future videos. And thank you so much for watching. Until the next time.